Daddy, your favorite toy.
What do you have? Did you like that sunset? Okay. What do you have? Oh, okay. And what else? Do you have a crab? Where's your crab? There you go.
Found it.
Found it, yes. You got a crab and a seahorse, right? And a wheelbarrow. Do you like it? So that's roughly around $10. But you can ride as many times as you want for 24 hours. It lasts for 24 hours. So that's not too bad, considering if you was to rent a motorbike, it would cost more than that. You can also pay to take a trip to your destination and then back. But I think the best thing is to get a daily pass.
Hindi po namin madadaanan, pero pwede po siyang puntahan. Malalakad po natin siya. Kasi hindi lang naman.
Let's see try many air conditioned. Do you like hop on hop off?
Station 3.
You like it? Can you tell them you're on the hop on hop off?
Doon po, madadaanan niyo po yun.
Yes, we're gonna go swimming. We're gonna go to the beach.
10 minutes, 15 minutes.
So we'll head on to Boulevard Beach, okay? See the kite surfing. Let's go along with us. We're gonna head to Boulevard Beach. May see some kite surfing today. This place is called Boulevard Beach, and it's known for kite surfing. And there is a lot of people kite surfing. What do you, Storm, what do you think of the kite surfing? You like those? Yes.
Going out?
So Boulevard Beach faces the ocean on the east side of the island, where the sunrise is. And it's windy here a lot, so it's known for kite surfing. Wow! You see that? And I do know they kite surf in North Carolina on the coast in certain areas, but I have never.
You want to try?
Never really seen. No, I don't think I'm gonna try. Look at the guy flying in the air.
Oh yeah. Baby, look. What happened?
would love to have tried this when I was 17 or 18 years old. I might would try it now. You have to take lessons, I'm sure. They have lessons to teach you out. So I get a good balance. Gymnastics and roller skating and snow skiing and ice skating, but that's been quite a while ago. What, Daddy jump on the kite, he might fly up in the air and go all the way to the sun. What do you think? But Daddy could start you on this in a few years. Yeah.
I want baby storm to be on the water.
Yes. What do you think of this, Mom?
I like it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it.
You want to try it? Okay, you know. Yeah, you have to take lessons and learn how to do it. That's nice. Are you guys learning to kite surf? Hang tight. Hold on. Sip. Good job.
You have to do training first.
Okay. Are you kite surfing? Okay, surf. Hang on tight.
Go kite surfing.
Hang on tight. There you go.
Okay.
Hold on with your hands. Hang on tight. There you go.
Okay.
Don't let go.
You don't let go like this, oh. Like
What?
mama, like this, oh.
Watch Mama.
You wanna do it?
Kite surf. There you go.
Go, go, go.
Hang on tight. No, Mama. Don't. He don't know if he's strong enough to hold himself yet. Oh my gosh. Let's do it. Disaster. Wow. This is a great place for a morning walk, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
Daddy holds your hand. Yeah.
Smile.
This is nice. mama. Not too fast. Hey. Hey, good morning. Wow, look at those pretty flowers, the pretty lady.
Have you got that before?
Hi, handsome. Smell it? You
Smell
want to
it?
try to smell it?
No, you cannot pick it.
We can't pick them, but they're pretty. Purple flowers. We just arrived at the D Mall, and we're going to go to the beach here, which is in section 2. Yeah, of White Beach. And we stopped in a place called Hollow Mingo. Hollow Mingo. I've heard about it. Hollow Mingo. Where we at? Hollow Mingo?
Say hello, Mingo.
And we ordered us some mango ice cream, right? You like mango, right? Don't you? Daddy loves mangoes. So we're gonna try this out. I've actually heard about it. I heard it was good. They have kind of like a mango ice and then a mango ice cream. So, oh, here it comes! Here it comes!
Wow.
Thank you. Looky here. Ooh. We got two. Look at that mango ice cream.
Wow.
That looks good. You want some? You want to have the first bite?
Baba.
I have first bite, Baba.
You like it?
Is it good?
Is it good?
I take that as a yes.
Yes.
There you go. Get you some. Good boy. Okay. Okay. That's a big bite. That's a big bite, Baba. I think it's storm approved.
Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, not so. We don't want you to get brain freeze.
No, hold on. Daddy will gonna take it.
Okay, so this is the D Mall. I'll show you some of it. Coming from the beach. Lots of
Again. Ma'am, banda na, tawin na.
shops, places to eat. See, so when you get out the no, this way, when you get off the hop bus, you come through the D Mall to get to the beach. Looks like they have lot of places to eat and a lot of places to buy souvenirs. It probably looks kind of nice lit up at nighttime, I bet. And cool there. There's the Hobbit Tavern. Hotel. What do you think about this storm?
Busy.
This is kind of like a outdoor mall at the beach, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I bet it's pretty lit up at night. Yeah, we'll come at night too.
Can we,
Country jeans, baby.
like, can we take a look this at nighttime later?
Yeah.
I wanna see
Yeah,
how
we
the-
can come through here
Nighttime.
at night. It'll be cooler too.
Yeah.
Crepes. Coco Mama. So here's a new beach. This beach is called Dennywood Beach. And we just arrived here. And we came down a pathway and we stopped here to get a mango shake. But this is how it looks. Of course, our boy, he fell asleep in the air condition of the hop on hop off, and then Daddy carried him for the next 15 minutes till we got to the beach area, and so we're gonna let him take a little nap there. What you think, Mama? Yeah. So we're gonna let him take a little nap right there while we have a mango shake. I was gonna get buku shake or coconut shake, but they didn't have it. They said all they had was mango shakes. But I see coconuts over there on the ground. But it looks nice here. Got some coconut trees right here. So anyway, we're gonna have this shake, sit here and relax a minute, and then we will walk down the beach and see some of this beach here. And it goes over toward White Beach, Station 1. So the water is shallow out here, so it should be some good swimming. So we're gonna go out and probably do some swimming this afternoon, and we're gonna watch the sunset from here. So we're looking forward to a nice afternoon. Once some boy wakes up. So this is Dennywood Beach. This is pretty nice. This is kind of rocky area. Hey guys, look at this big. I guess that's probably
Nice.
sandstone, probably.
Yeah.
That's pretty high. A lot of boats, but hi baby. What do you think? boat. Wow. You got a crab? Oh, they're swimming? You got a crab swimming and what is that?
So nice the
It's
water.
swimming.
So nice the water. Love.
Yes.
See? You want the light fish? You want me to get the light fish?
No, it's okay. We're just watching. Swimming.
Did you put the food there for inside, love? Ocean. Sweet! Love it.
Swimming. Wow.
Let's go to Willie.
Wow. The water feels good.
Yeah.
It's like, water feels good. But you stay right here. Don't get, you gotta watch him because I don't want to look around and your head is underwater. Because we didn't put your life vest on.
You want me to get the light fish?
He got you. Hang on, let me get to my knees first. You got the floating wheelbarrow? Catch it? Okay. Daddy catch it. Daddy dump the water out. Daddy put your... You got a crab and you got a, what is this? Seahorse. Hey, mommy swimming. So it's great. The water temperature is just perfect. So I think we're gonna stay here in the water, right, and watch the sunset today.
Not jellyfish.
Mama's looking for jellyfish. She got stung by a jellyfish yesterday, so I know you got trauma.
You know, there's a little fish a while ago there. I keep running it. I got baby surrounded.
I know you got me looking too. I've never been stung by a jellyfish in my whole life.
That one, not the kind of fish.
Oh, those are those little bitty fish.
What's that? That's the stonefish.
No.
Mama, look at fish.
I think Mama's gun shy.
No, I got trauma.
spread your wings.
Yeah, you spread your wings.
Oh, wow, that's gonna look good.
Yeah.
Going toward the sunset.
Then spread your wings.
I got you. I got you.
I love my baby.
Storm? Storm? What do you have? What do you have? Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Okay. You make Daddy a mountain. You watch the wheelbarrow? You watch the wheelbarrow?
Well, I need water.
You need water. Okay, get you some water.
Horsey.
Okay, Daddy will help you find Horsey.
Can we find Horsey?
Yes, Daddy will help you find Horsey.
Can we find Horsey?
Okay. Daddy will help you find Horsey. Just a minute. Sunset? Yeah? What, sweetheart?
Mommy?
Okay. This right there, she's playing with it. Yeah. Did you like that sunset? Okay. What do you have? Oh, okay. And what else? Do you have a crab? Where's your crab? There you go.
Found it.
Found it, yes. You got a crab and a seahorse, right? And a wheelbarrow. Do you like it?